My father drives trucks, and I've been riding with him since I was old enough to ride. So I've always wanted to drive trucks, riding trucks, anything to do with truck. I love it. So when I heard about school, it was my way in the door because I can work on trucks, I can buy my own, I can work on myself, and I can drive. My admissions rep, once again, Miss Kelsey, she called me and told me that Thompson Machinery had called her and was looking for someone for part-time job. So when she called me, I got up. I had just got from class. I got back up. I got dressed, and I went down to see where they were, how things were going to work, because Caterpillar is my favorite engine. So I went down and I had an interview on the spot that I did not plan to have. It put my foot in the door with a major organization, and being with a major organization will give you many opportunities in the end. And I'll get to just about, I would say, probably work anywhere I would like to work. It's been great. I've been given many opportunities. Like today we're here at Career Day. I've been given many opportunities by different employers, and because of where I work, I will have even more opportunities for the future. I came here so I can work on the trucks that I buy, so I can save money, and I can eventually turn into a large organization. Yes, it is a good choice because you get hands-on training, you get opportunities to work part-time in the field, and when you're working in the field and you're still getting training, you learn even more on a daily basis. And this is the right school because you're probably not going to be too far from home, and you're not in large classes like at a big university, so you can actually get one-on-one with the teachers and get an understanding of what you're doing.